Armenia. Which continent? Is it in Africa? Sorry for asking, but I've heard Armenia a couple of times. I don't even know where it is. Yo, so tired. Guys, welcome to the live stream today. How are you all doing? How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are okay. Hope you guys are good. Please, guys, you're just joining. Make sure welcome to the live stream. If you're just joining, make sure you're double tapping on your screen for me. Double tap on your screen, like power tap it. Ta 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 ta. So that you will like up this live stream. Okay? Thank you all for liking. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Who sent me? Nobody. Nobody sent me. Today was just a busy day. I swear. It's a busy day. I was so oh, I'm from Nigeria. I'm streaming right now from Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria. I'm not American. Oh. Hi, Rick. Ricky plays. I'm not American. I'm Nigerian. Do I look American? Do I look American, guys? What are you guys saying? Maybe I should just go to the America. Ah. Yo guys, I want to try and go live every day and see what goes, what happens. But you know the worst thing, when I'm home now, because right now I'm not at home, I'm at work. When I'm home, I'll just be sleeping. But when I'm at work, that's when I want to do all the stuff about my social media. That's when I want to go live. That's when the motivation is there. I don't know what's going on. When I'm at home, when I'm off that, I'm supposed to at least go live every day. I won't. So there are sometimes the fault is not mine sometimes, because sometimes that I will want to go live, the network at my place, like at home, will not be so strong for my live streaming, and sometimes if it's my battery will be so low because there's no light to power it.